Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use our text marketing extension or the Twilio extension. So I'm now in CRM and in Marketplace installed. Just search for the ABR Text Marketing Assistant. And then from here, you need to connect the extension with your Zoho CRM on this section right here. Once you're done authorizing that, just click on settings. And then from here, there are a few options available for you directly at the first section right here. So opt out on incoming messages. So this is an old feature where you can create drip campaigns. So you can choose to disable this one since it's no longer working as of now. Send manual text message. There is a field added in the leads, contacts, and opportunities where you can add messages and it will automatically be sent as an SMS. So that is working, especially if you are going to be using Zoho CRM in your mobile since widgets are not outright available. Trim initial zero, that just means that for countries where the numbers starts with zero, it is easier to format those numbers. So if you're in a country where it doesn't start with zero, you don't need this. You want to skip this one. The notification bot name, if you're already using Click, Zoho Click, it's the you have the icon on the bottom left corner called chats. Then you can add the bot. In my case, I have added the bot click assistant. So if you don't have it yet, you can open a new tab and then just go to click.zoho.com. Once you're here, you can click on the top right corner, then bots and tools. So in here, you can create a new bot. Let's say you want to name it ABR bot. Make sure to copy this and you will need to paste that in Marketplace later on. So name, description, the thing that you need to take note here is the access level needs to be on an organization. So if you click on save bot, you can go back here and just paste it here. In my case, I'll use my existing one and then country code, depending on where you are located, +1 if you're in the US. From phone number, basically just need to add the phone number that was provided to you by Twilio. So make sure that this is on the correct format. You need to add +1 at the start, and then no spaces, no special characters. Now, the rest of the fields here, for example, the account as ID and authentication token, you can get it once you log into your Twilio. So I'm using a free account to my own account. So in here in the main page, console.twilio.com, if you scroll down, you'll have the account as ID here. You just need to copy that as well as the token. So you can copy that one and then paste both of them right here. Now, the Twilio webhook, this part right here is the opposite. You will need to copy all of this. And once you have the phone number available, you have purchased the phone number. In my case, I don't have any phone numbers yet. You will have a section there once you open that number where you will have like a messaging section. And on that messaging section, that's where you will have an option to paste and choose a webhook. Choose the webhook method and then paste that value right there. After saving that, that should be all good. And then again, clicking the data centers here will show you the other data centers in the world. In my case, since I'm in the US, I am choosing .com. Don't forget to click on Save Settings. Once you're done with all that, the extension will automatically be added near leads, contacts, accounts, and deals. If we go to leads and open a new lead, let's say I add here my number. So this number right here will be used for the widget or the Twilio extension. You will automatically have here on the left side the ABR communication system. It appears twice on my end in this case because I am using Ring Central as well for demo purposes. But for Twilio, this is how it looks like. So this interface right here, whatever you send here and this chat box will be received as an SMS on the other end. So the other thing that you can do here is you have the template icon on the right side before the send button. So in the template, let's say I want to edit this template, you can see that I've already added a merge field. You can do the same by typing the hashtag or the pound sign. And then from here, you can select all of the fields available in that specific record. In my case, it's on leads, so I'll be able to see all of the fields here in leads. So once you have updated that and selected that, it will automatically populate the values there are if there are values available in those merge fields that you have added. So this is the main chat interface. If you go to leads, and then for example, you are on leads or in contacts and you have a specific view that you have added, or if you want to create or filter your leads based on contact type, geography, or whatnot, you can do so. And then once you're there, you can click on the records by doing this. Then you'll have the option here for mass text message. So once you're here, you'll be able to select the from phone number, the template, and then you can click on send. So that's the mass SMS feature. So when doing this, just make sure that you are doing this 50 records at a time so that it it's a server issue. So you just need to make sure that you don't send too many messages all at the same time. Now, the other thing that you can do with this extension is create workflows, send SMS based on certain criteria in your workflows. So you can go to setup under automations, click on workflow rules, and then let's say you want to create a workflow whenever a lead is created. I will create a rule and I will use it for my leads, and then select the record action will be on create. In here you can choose a criteria, for example source or lead type. In my case, I want it to be sent to all leads. In here you will have this ABR send SMS. This custom action will automatically be added through the extension. So once you have added this one, you are now able to select a template from the ones you have already created, or you can even write your own message in here. So once you have added that, submit, type a name, save and associate. So whenever, if I save this one, whenever a new lead is created, it will automatically send the SMS that I just created. You can have the flexibility of doing workflows, for example, your cadence or your different actions, different, if you have some blueprints, you can use that trigger for sending SMS as well. So you have that flexibility. So that's all for now. Let us know if you have any issues installing the extension, if you have any concerns or questions. Thank you.